Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn day into night in pictures by using Picsart. So I'm going to make this photo, the day sky into the night sky. So I'm going to change it. The first thing that you need to do is go to the tools option and then adjust. Click on adjust and then adjust the brightness. Okay, into -70, just like so. And next, okay, wait a minute. Yeah, and then go to the highlight and reduce it into -90. Okay, and go to the temp and reduce it into -60. And click on check and at the top, and then you just need to go to the add photo and add a photo of night sky into your photo. Okay, adjust the opacity and also the size, just like so. Then erase the part of the photo that you don't need to add the night sky. Click on this and click on erase. Just erase the part. Okay, when you're done, just click on check and save your photo. Okay, so that's it for me. That is how you can turn your day photo into night in Picsart. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.